Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to monitor productivity with Clockify. Whether you're a freelancer, remote worker, team manager, business owner, or project coordinator, Clockify provides powerful tools to help you understand how time is being spent and identify opportunities to improve productivity. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Clockify account and open the workspace where your time tracking data is stored. To monitor productivity effectively, make sure you and your team are consistently tracking time for all important tasks and projects. Start by organizing your work into projects and tasks. Proper organization makes it much easier to understand where time is being spent and which activities contribute the most value. Next, use the Clockify timer or timesheet feature to accurately record work hours throughout the day. The more accurate your time entries are, the more useful your productivity reports will be. Clockify's reporting tools can also help you track project progress against expected timelines and identify potential delays before they become major issues. For remote teams, regular report reviews provide transparency and help ensure everyone remains aligned with project goals and deadlines. As a best practice, schedule weekly or monthly productivity reviews to analyze trends, evaluate performance, and make informed decisions about future planning. And that's how to monitor productivity with Clockify. By tracking time consistently, organizing projects effectively, and reviewing detailed reports, you can gain valuable insights into your work habits and continuously improve productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.